Welcome. If you're tired of seeing that little notification dot piling up on your Snapchat app icon, especially from Spotlight snaps, you're not alone. Those badges can get distracting fast, even when the notifications themselves aren't that important. The good news is you can turn them off in just a few quick steps and still keep everything else working the way you like. Let's walk through exactly how to disable app icon badges for Spotlight Snaps notifications. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your system-level controls live, so once you're in, you're already halfway there. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled Apps and Notifications, but the idea is the same. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. From that list, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open up all the settings specific to Snapchat, including permissions and notification options. Now tap on Notifications. This section controls every type of alert Snapchat can send you, from messages to stories and Spotlight updates. Once you're inside Notifications, look for notification categories and tap on it. This is where things get more specific, letting you control individual types of notifications instead of turning everything on or off. Scroll until you find Spotlight Snaps and tap on it. Here, you'll see options that control how these particular notifications behave. Finally, look for the toggle labeled App Icon badges and switch it off. As soon as you do this, Spotlight Snaps will stop adding that little badge to your Snapchat icon. And that's it. You'll still receive Spotlight Snaps notifications if they're enabled, but your home screen stays clean and distraction-free. If you ever change your mind, you can come back and turn the badges back on just as easily.